Where is she? Hide her. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Where is she? Hi. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Where is she? Where is she? Where is she?
Where'd she go? Peekaboo!
She's pretty
Whoa.
excited about going to the zoo.
She's going to the zoo.
She's
What do we
excited.
do at the zoo, zoo, zoo? What do we do at the zoo? What do we do at the zoo, zoo, zoo? What do we do at the zoo? Yay! Hide, hide. Where'd she go? Whoopsie. She almost fell down. Watch her. She's watching the video of herself. Careful. Whoa.
It bounces. The air's let out of it.
She's making me nervous. That's fun for you, isn't it? Jump.
I got you with the pillow.
She just walked over and put it on top of her and goes, hi, hi, hi. She's excited today. That Raisin Bran must have did it for her.
Silly.
Where'd she go? There she is.
What's the lion say?
Whoa.
I hope that diaper don't leak.
Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Hi.
Doggy says,
She's watching the video of herself. Who's that cute kid on there? Eating cereal. Here, come here. No more. We're all done. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.